Okay, guys, so let's get started with our next lab activity, configuring and managing Entra Join summary. So in this lab, you will configure Entra AD Join settings and perform both standard and Entra hybrid join scenarios for Windows devices. Okay, so let's start with the exercise one, configuring Entra Join. So in this scenario, you need to configure Entra ID device settings to ensure that all users are allowed to join devices to Entra ID. You also need to ensure that users can only join a maximum number of 20 devices. So this is our problem statement, and accordingly, we'll work on it. So task one, configure Enter join device settings. Go to server one, login. So I'm already logged in here, and I've logged in with this one. Okay, so now I'll just need to navigate to the Entra portal, I believe. Yes, yeah, on the Entra, go to devices, select all devices. Notice that there are no devices found as you have not joined any devices yet. So there are no devices as of now, apart from this SE server one. This one is the Entra registered only, not joined. Okay, so let's go to device settings. On the device settings page in the details pane under the users may join device. So users may join device to Microsoft Entra. This is selected to all, no need to change. All the Entra users are permitted to join Windows 10 or newer devices. Note that this setting does not apply to Entra hybrid join devices or devices joined by using Windows Autopilot self-deployment. Okay. In the require multi-factor authentication to register or join devices with Microsoft, select no. This is already selected and this is already selected to all. And there's just a few more setting I need to change. That is maximum number of devices should be 20 as per this lab. Under local administrator settings, select manage additional. Okay. Local administrator, manage additional local on all enter join devices. Where is that setting? This one. Okay, I'm into this assignment space. Click on add assignment. In this search box, I need to manually add Alan. So here, Alan De Jong. Okay, so this portal is lagging a bit. Please bear with me. Okay, so this is added the user. We'll need to go one step back. Just double check. Okay. device settings. This is done. Now I just need to click on save. Navigate to the authentication methods. The authentication, here it is. Yeah, it took a while for me to find it. And yeah, from here, I just need to select SMS settings, select enable SMS as an authentication method. At the bottom of the page, select save. So this activity is done. Let me see the task 2. Can I cover it in this video itself? Okay, so I'll record another video. In the next video, we'll do this next task.